deep, let's draw a nice little doll. First, draw the head. Deep, deep pink. Now, draw a little mouth so your doll can smile. Excellent! Draw some thick, curly hair. Add a beautiful hat. Wonderful! Now put a neat ribbon on the hat with a beautiful flower. What a charming doll! And put a button on it. Well, now draw arms on the doll. First the right arm. And now the left arm. Look, your doll is almost ready. Then the other leg. What a lovely doll you've drawn! What? Ah, ah! Yoo-hoo! Yoo! Hey, ha!